Croeso, welcome back again. Thanks for popping in. This is just a very short video to let you know about my Christmas video. Because normally about this time of year I will make a short Christmas video, usually a comedy involving somebody called Welshbloke. But this year I thought I'd do something different. Christmas is normally a time traditionally for ghost stories. So I thought I'd do a short horror flick this time. It's only 3 minutes long. It's set in a remote part of Wales, and it does have a particular Welsh flavour if you know where to look. So, the link to this video will be at the end of this video and in the description below. So why not check it out? Who knows, you might enjoy it. So, have a wonderful Christmas. Nadolig Llawen I chi, a Blwyddyn Newydd, and I'll see you here next time.